So a key skill that we're looking at in Python that's important for every language is the ability to actually get user interaction. Now in Python, that's done by using the input function. And within that input function, it allows you to have a prompt, which is a string, so anything between those two speech marks, and that allows you to actually display something on the screen telling the user what you want to enter. So for example, I can tell them to please enter a name. So when I run it, you'll see at the bottom, it's waiting for me to enter a name. However, I didn't save that value anywhere. I can't actually use that name in my program. So every time you have an input, you need to be pairing that with a variable on the left-hand side. So I'm saying that the name is equal to whatever they type. Now you'll notice here, I didn't have a space between my prompt and what I've typed, and generally that can cause a logic error because most people will naturally produce a space when they start typing. So every time you do a prompt, try to get in the habit of including the space there because it's going to save you trouble later on as you program. So now that I actually have access to that variable, or access, sorry, to whatever they're typing in as that input, I can use that. So in this case, I can print welcome, and I can actually use my variable, which is a result of whatever they typed, and it's stored as a string, which once again is anything that's between the speech marks. So when I run it, see, I've now got that space. When I type Miss Towns, because I'm storing that input into the variable, I can use it, for example, in this case, to say, welcome, Miss Towns.